Okay, so we're on 10B. 10B is all about conditional probability. We're working on level 1 problems right now, which is your ability to read a Venn diagram and then also to create. So yesterday's lesson was mostly talking about the vocab that you're going to need to be able to read it. Today we're going to focus on both reading and creating. Alright, so we have the Venn diagram here. The difference between this Venn diagram and the Venn diagram that you saw in the video from yesterday is that now we're actually going to throw numbers in the mix. Alright, so what we're going to do in this first video is answer kind of like all of these blanks. Alright, so like you guys talked about yesterday, a Venn diagram represents a relationship between two sets. So like this would be considered the set of people who like hot dogs. This is going to be considered the set of people who like hamburgers. This is the intersection, so this would be where those two meet. So this would mean that I like hot dogs and I like hamburgers because I'm a part of this and that, right? So the people who only like hot dogs, I know hot dogs are going to be this pink circle here. So I have two numbers. I have 61 and I have 15. 15 is special because not only is he a part of this pink circle, but he's also a part of that blue circle, which means not only does he like hot dogs, he likes hamburgers as well. So if I look back at what I'm answering, which is just only hot dogs, I can't include him in the count. So if I'm only looking at those who like hot dogs, that's going to be this section here. So I'm not actually including those 15 because they like hamburgers as well. So the total number of people who like only hot dogs is going to be 61. But we can't completely ignore those 15 because those 15 do like hot dogs, right? So if I want to know the total number of people who like hot dogs, I don't care about whether or not they like hamburgers right now. I want to know the total number of people who like hot dogs. I'm actually going to add those two together. So 61 plus 15 would be 76. So there's 76 people total who like hot dogs. There's 76 people in this circle. 15 of them, however, like both hot dogs and hamburgers. So only 61 of them liked hot dogs. So the same is going to be true about my hamburgers, right? So my hamburger is this blue circle in here. So kind of basing it off of that, the total number of people who like hamburgers is going to be again that 15 because they liked hot dogs and hamburgers. So it's that 15 plus the people who only like hamburgers. So the total number of people who like hamburgers would be 15 plus that 49, which is going to be 54. Of those 54 who like hamburgers, only these 39 like only hamburgers. Alright. We've talked about this 15 a lot. That 15 is the intersection. Intersection. So that's kind of where my hot dogs is intersected with my hamburgers. Right, that's what we're looking at there. So it's that upside down U. So there's 15 people total who like both. So we also talked about A union B. So that's A or B. So that would be all of those. So if I were to add all of these numbers up, that's the number of people who like hot dogs or hamburgers. All right. So if I add all those up, then that's 61 plus 15 is 76. 76 plus 39 is 115. So 115 like hot dogs or hamburgers. They're a part of that union of hot dogs and hamburgers. So if I'm going to see my neither, then they can't be a part of this hot dog section, they can't be a part of this hamburger section, and they definitely can't be a part of both of them. Right? If I don't like hot dogs, I can't be in there. If I don't like hamburgers, I also can't be in there, so I have to be on this outside. So outside, I have a total of 15 again. Alright, so they don't like neither of them. If I just kind of add all these together, so 15 for neither, 15 for both, 61 for only hot dogs, and then 39 for only hamburgers. That leaves me with a total of 130. So that means that 130 people are represented in this Venn diagram here.